vlog. I am just cleaning, decorating for Halloween, doing some homework, and doing a little unboxing. Well, unbagging. Because a person who I shall not name likes to open up my packages and then not tell me that I have a package at the house. So I have not known that this package has been waiting for me for like a week. So I wanted to do a little unboxing and taste test. So this is Bohana, and what they are is a snack company. They have 3 flavors: Soulful Spice, the Wild White Cheddar, and the Himalayan Pink Sea Salt. I love crunchy things, so these are gonna be perfect. I am gonna try them because I honestly don't know how they taste yet. But what I see so far is the packaging is so freaking cute. I absolutely love it. So they are non-GMO, there's 3 grams of plant protein, they're gluten-free, they are corn-free, and there is no trans fat in any of these. And they are all under 120 calories. It looks like this one's 110, and then these 2 are 120. And then it looks like these 2 are vegan, which is awesome. I'm kind of in the mood for Wild White Cheddar, so I'm just gonna try this one. I mean, there's not much of a scent to them. This is what they look like. So you guys can see like the little seeds in there. Oh no, I dropped a 3-second roll, 5-second roll, it's fine. I'm assuming they're gonna be kind of like pirate booty almost, at least this one at least, like that kind of texture. Oh yeah, this is 100% like popcorn. Yeah, okay. Oh my god, it smells so good. I like these ones a lot. Oh my god. Okay, I'm definitely gonna be snacking on these. Oh, I taste it. I taste the kick a little bit. It's not too intense, but it's definitely, oh, it smells so good. So in their little card, I'll just put it right here if you guys want to screenshot what it says in case you guys are interested in buying them. I'm not getting paid to talk about them. This is just a brand that sent me some snacks for me to try and give my honest opinion. I will leave a link down below to their Instagram page or their website so you guys can check them out if you want to try them yourself. Okay, so September is gone and it's already October, so you guys already know that I went back home and got all my Halloween decor supplies, and we're just gonna set them up. Spooky. Spooky. Happy Halloween. Spook season. Trick or treat. I actually probably shouldn't have thrown the knife. Hey guys, so right now, as you saw by the title, I'm gonna be unboxing my new phone. So currently I have the iPhone 7 in rose gold, and so I've had this phone for at least 2 years. So in my hand I have the iPhone Max in gold, and it's the 256 gigabytes. So I'm really nervous because I am used to having a little tiny phone, and I'm nervous to like get used to the big size. I decided that I want to have the big size and just go with it. So we're gonna turn my phone off and we're gonna open it. So I think the thing I'm mainly nervous for is like doing the data myself and like making sure that this phone is the correct number. Oh my gosh, I'm so nervous. I haven't had a new phone in so long. All right, so there's some deflated bubbles. Okay, wait, where's my case? Uh-oh. Well, here's what it looks like. Guys, is this like not satisfying for anybody else? Like just to like pull this off? Here's the phone, okay. I took that off so aggressively. Oh, it comes with the headphones, a charger, and everything like that. So we're gonna set that one aside because obviously we care more about the phone. Okay, it's not that big. It's so pretty. Is this not so satisfying? Wait, it says hello, or maybe it's in a different language now. I'm gonna log on to the app because I don't want to screw this up and do it wrong. Died, well, excuse me. Well, that's not good. The site was not found. Hold on, this is so high tech. There's literally specks and particles. What? Okay. I'm also really concerned because I don't have a case for this. All right, guys, I think I did it. You guys, this is so weird. Guys, it's literally the same stuff in the same order. This was what I was nervous about because I wasn't sure if it was gonna transfer all of my like apps and everything but it did. Now my only thing is I don't know if my phone number is in here or in here. That's the only thing. I'm gonna continue figuring this out, but I'll be back with a full update. All right guys, so after multiple phone calls and getting disconnected, I was able to set up my new phone. So it's official. My old pink iPhone, or rose gold, even though if this is also apparently rose gold, like those are two different colors. Like this is gold and this is just pink. Nonetheless, this one is now off. It's cleared. I took out the SIM card and everything is on here. I am super excited. I can't believe all of it just like transferred so quickly, because 2 years ago, years before, you had to go into the store, they had to do it themselves, you know, you didn't know how to do it, and it's just so simple now. And like, this is why technology is great. Like, it just did it itself. It did some weird Bluetoothy, like twin telepathy thing, and all my stuff is right here on my phone. So yeah. This is cool. Well, I guess I'll maybe do a review later. Maybe once I get this phone organized, I will do what's on my iPhone. I'm just gonna enjoy the phone and like see what happens. All right, bye guys. Before I forget, I just wanted to mention that I'm actually hosting a giveaway on my Instagram that is live right now, so make sure to go enter that. Here's a photo of what the prizes look like. So there's going to be 2 winners, and I'm working with Kaylee phone cases, so I'm giving away 2 iPhone 6 Plus phone cases, and then with that there's makeup, face mask, a notepad, nail polish, eyeshadow, stuff like that, just depending on which one you win. So make sure to go check it out. The rules to enter are pretty simple. You just have to be following my Instagram account and my YouTube. So I will have my Instagram link down below. And then the third rule is to just comment on this photo. I will end on Wednesday the 17th of October. I have been walking around with my phone so carefully these past couple hours because I got a packing slip in the mail right now. So I'm gonna go down at 5 and hopefully that's my phone case in there and the glass screen protector, because if it's not, I'm gonna go buy a phone case. I don't care. I will spend the money on a phone case while I wait, because I'm not dropping this $1,000 phone. Okay, I'm not doing it. So far, I really like the phone. I am getting used to the size, obviously, because it is the Max, or pretty much like the Plus. I don't know why they call it the Max. It's the same thing as a Plus. It's really weird not having a home button because I have the 7, so that's gonna get some getting used to, and then just like closing out my apps and all the extra like monkey like face emoji feature things. We're working on that. Wow, my arm's tired. I need to work out. Wow. But I don't want to say but yeah, but yeah. This better be my phone case. Hi. There you go. Okay. We got a box. We got a box. Hi guys, so I am back. So hopefully this is my phone case and the glass screen protector. Should I grab scissors? Yes. Am I too lazy to reach to go get them? Yes. It is. Okay. In this box, there should be garbage. This is the car lightning charger, and then there's also the glass vision guard invisible shield shatter screen protector thing. Everyone, you guys know what this is. I don't know why I have to explain it. And then there is my Symmetry phone case. So I just have the OtterBox one because they really don't have that many phone cases out that I love. So I figured I would just get this one for now, and then when they start coming out with the cuter cases, I will get those. So we're gonna put this on real quick. Why am I struggling? Oh, I turned the flash on. Why are you still on? Guys, how do I turn the flash off? There. Alright guys, so after a good 15 minutes, I was able to get the glass screen protector on, and I had to take off my case to put the glass screen protector on. But eventually I got the case on. So it definitely feels sturdy because it took me forever to put it back on. But I'm so excited. Here's what it looks like. Like I said, I just have a clear case and then just the glass screen protector. Tomorrow I leave for Door County, so I'm not sure how long this vlog is right now. So that is either gonna be the next vlog or a continuation of this vlog. So that was me fully unboxing my iPhone, even though it took me like 4 hours to officially get it all done. So if that is it for this vlog, I hope you guys all enjoyed. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.